Hi, my name's Steve. And as you can see here, I'm not really very good looking. And we're going to call this me. Over here, we're going to have a much better looking person. And we're going to call this person you. And I have a question. What if I could show you how you could use your tax dollars to be making over $500 a month in extra income in the next 30 days while building a retirement program that will pay you dividends for the rest of your life and beyond? A retirement program that you can actually will to your children and to your grandchildren. The wealthy have been using these techniques for decades. It's why they pay little or no taxes. I have taught thousands of my clients how to use exactly the same tools as they're using to build a strong residual income and a powerful retirement plan. I'd like to help you. And remember, because you're using tax dollars, this program will cost you nothing. If you're interested, let me know. Thanks.